and kind of confirm their intentions is really what they're doing. So we will still ask questions. Back in my day, like I said, they'd come in and it seemed like that was the only car they wanted. Now in today's day and age, it seems like even more of them know exactly what they want, right? Because they come in, again, sometimes with some paperwork or some types of things. So when they come in, sometimes they come in and they're myopically focused on one vehicle. Now, our thought would be, well, let's just sell them that one vehicle. Well, because people are flexible, in those cases, when they come in myopically focused on one car, our job is to kind of open up a little bit with questions. Well, why that particular, hey, nice pick, but out of all the cars out there, what attracted you to that car, right? What got you in the market in the first place? And that way, in our minds, we can open them up a little bit and figure out some of their needs and wants in case we do need to switch to a different vehicle or come up with a different alternative, right? Now, when they come in and they're wide open, we kind of want to ask questions to go the other way, don't we? We want to narrow it down. We want to get them more myopically focused on one car. So again, that's why we ask questions. Because we can't come in when they walk in, we can't have that little thought bubble. We can have the thought bubble above our head, but we can't say to them, now the guy, you know, he comes in, he tells you exactly what he's looking for. Hey, you got a 2018 used F-150 out there I want to see, and then you can't go, oh, well, we'll see about that. I mean, 86% of people buy a different car, so really, let me talk to you about your needs and wants a little bit. You can't do that. You just smile and go, oh, hey, great. Well, is the car going to be for you or for someone else? You ask some general questions, right?